Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. uh, so, I got mail. Yeah, I did an opening, just the surprise and kind of excitement, but I didn't press the recording. So I am doing it loose. It's fun. I already see the first one and the second one. I was a little bit curious what it is. Okay, we have already seen. Now we see it again. Burudani, Burudani. It's I do not know why they call it this name, but in Chinese pinyin it's very much like Burudani. It's quite a silly word. Okay, so this is the pair of shoes, and it feels very comfortable. It looks very much like the new trending shoes that tip top and use recycled use recycled bottle, right? It looks very much like that, and it looks quite elegant style, don't you think so? I do not have a blue shoes, so I need blue shoes, and this is a winner unboxing. This company sent me an email, and do you want to try it? I said, yeah, I can try it. There is no payment. It just to send me these shoes. I am very grateful for anyone that pays attention to me anyway. And so the style of it is actually like this. You can put your feet inside like this, and I was thinking, if you do not want it, and I have just tried, you can put that one down, and this becomes a normal pair of shoes without a stripe or holder. Let me try if it is comfortable. It seems very comfortable. This part is very very smooth. I hope it is absorbent. Let me try. So another day I will do some outfit of the day to go match with it. I have a lot of blue clothes. So, oh, it's very comfortable. Oh, look at it. Wow, it's so comfortable. Oh, so very comfortable. Let me try this one. I will not show you right now because it takes $20 to see my toes. That's a silly joke, right? Oh, very, very, very comfortable. Okay, now I will need to say something about the comfort. It's only a couple of seconds, a couple of minutes of wearing, but it feels so so relaxed. This pair of shoes is very relaxed comparing with no, do not compare. It's just by itself. It's relatively wide on the shoe part, on the sole part. So for a lot of these pointed shoes, you feel it's too tight, but this one does not. It's very good. Okay, that is one. Now we see the second one. Let's try this one. How it is. Open it up. Oh my goodness. Wow. This one has heel. And this heel is a little bit heavy. Oh, this does not take out. Because it has heel, so it needs to be strong. This does not bend. Imagine if you have a heel and you can bend, you can fall down, right? And I have chosen this color. They allow me to choose 3 pairs. So I have chosen this. The color is quite neutral, not too exaggerated. Imagine you have a pure bleach white. Will be just too much contrast. Don't you think so? Let me try this one. Oh, this is comfortable. Oh my goodness. And the size seems even more even more comfortable. I do not know because of the yeah, it's very comfortable. Okay, so another day you will see it. Okay, I will do an outfit of the day, and you can see it. Okay, now the third one. Burudani. The third one, da 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 da. Open it up. What is this color? Oh, red color. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's a flat toe. Burudani. 8.5. Let me try it. Try both. And this one must be also very, very, see, this kind of shoes, that the bottom, the sole is very soft. Let me try it. It's very comfortable. Oh my goodness. They are all so comfortable. Okay, I am very, very, very happy. I am very, very, very happy. Okay, that's it. The third one. Oh, the toe. Oh, it's like this. You cannot take it out, can you? You cannot take it out. It's good. This is particularly for the comfort of your toes, right? Yeah, flat top. Okay, that's about it. You have a beautiful, beautiful evening. I love you. I really do. Do. Burudani. Okay, so this company contacted me and I said, do you pay? They do not pay. So it's just to give me these shoes. I'm very happy. Yeah, how do I deserve it? Yeah, anyway. And these are made by recycled bottle. So, so these are old plastic bottles, and through the weaving, they make a certain weaving that is breathable, and I think it is washable. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Go bye bye.